All right, you guys. So I just want to talk to you about how to use Desmos in terms of when you're looking here and it says find one real solution or use the given solution. So when you're asked to find a real solution, you're being asked to find where does your graph cross the x-axis. So if you look over here, I took the problem that we just worked on in the last video. So I have x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Let me open this screen up. Okay. So what I've got here is I have the polynomial graphed and it crosses the x-axis right here at three different locations. So I could have actually said, if you notice, one of the answers you were given or factors was x minus 3. Okay. And then if you remember, when we solved the problem at the end, we got x minus 1 here, and then we had x plus 2. So these are all different um, solutions or zeros or roots. We have lots of names for them, and I'll explain that even further in another video. But the problem is that I can't use this technique for every single problem. Okay. And let me tell you what I'm talking about here. Okay. If you look at the first example I have here typed in Desmos, it says x to the third. Well, I know that that polynomial has three answers, and those answers are not necessarily 3 points that cross the x-axis. Because remember, we have imaginary numbers. We talked about that in math too. So if I switch over, I'm going to take this graph off. I'm going to bring on this graph. Okay. So this is f of x equals x to the fourth minus 1. Okay. And since it has an exponent of 4, I know that this problem as well has 4 answers. But if I look at my graph, and this is where we get into our calculators can't do everything for us, my graph only crosses the x-axis in 2 locations, which means there's 2 answers that are missing, and I need to find all 4 answers. So when you're asked to find the root of a polynomial, this is why you can't use your calculator to find all of them. So what I have is 2 of them, but now I need to find the other 2. So in my next video, I'm going to take my one and I'm going to show you how to find all 4 solutions. Okay?